my name is Grace and this is Cloudy, and today we're going to show you how to teach your chicken how to come around. Ready? Around. Good. Around. Good. Around. Good job. So, I'm going to first start by showing you the steps with a chicken who's already learned this trick, and then I'll bring in a chicken who hasn't learned it, and then I will show you how I work through with the chicken who's still just learning the trick. Alright, so let's get started. Now I would recommend that you go watch and teach your chicken how to spin before you teach your chicken how to come around. Now I will put up here the link to the how to teach your chicken how to spin tutorial. So basically, you're going to start off your chicken the same way you do a spin. You're going to take your food, make sure they can see it, and then you're going to lure them half around, and then you need to have your other hand with the treat net. Good, you stole it from me. And then you lure them the rest of the way around. Good. Make sure to have your fingers pointed, because that's what your cue is going to be. Good job. Now start at the kneeling position like I'm doing now, so that you can really help them follow your hand. Basically, they're just following treats right now. Then you can start to move with your fingers and phase out having the treat in your hand quite as much or as visible. Then. Good. Now sometimes when you switch to the other hand behind you, sometimes your chicken will lose it, so if that's, you may want to put your hand almost completely behind your back so that you guys can now see my other hand to help lure your chicken so that they understand to come all the way around you. Vamos! So now, once you're standing up, you're going to go from the same step by luring them around with your finger. Good. But you're probably going to have to bend down a little bit so that you can keep your fingers close to them. Good. Good job. And then you can start to straighten yourself up. Good. Good job. And then you can get fully stood up. There you go. There you are. And you can start adding in more than one. Around. Around. Good job. Alright, so now I'm going to bring out a chicken who's not learned this trick before and then show you the steps with that chicken. Alright, so I'm going to start making sure they can see it. Now Jem gets distracted much easier than some of the other ones. Good job. Good. You can see how I'm kind of keeping the food like right in front of their face, that sometimes they're even stealing some of the food right out of my hand, right here. So that she starts to follow it. Because now, when I move to the fingers, where'd you go? There you go. Good job. Now have your food able to be seen so that like when I'm doing this, the chicken can still see the food and even take it, and that'll help them follow and move on to just the finger cue. Good job. Hold on. Good job. Alright, so now I'm going to move to the standing position. Vamos. Good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Around. Good girl. Now I'm going to move up into more straight. Good girl. Good girl. Nope. Come here. Good job. So that's how to teach a chicken how to come around you. Now, if I work on it a couple more days, a couple more days with Gem, then she will fully understand it and be able to do it just as well as Cloudy. So it may take a couple days, it may take you longer, it may take you shorter than it did Gem. But I hope this video was helpful and that you are able to wow your friends with your chickens doing tricks. And I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and remember to have fun training.